Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about GK and GS one-liner questions, that is part 44. I request you guys to check playlist where you'll find up to part 43, which are very useful for all central government and paramilitary defense examinations. Let us see exactly what has been given in the slides. The most abundant constituent of Earth's crust, that is igneous rocks, these are the maximum abundant constituent of earth crust. You will find the maximum igneous rocks on the earth crust. The largest producer of tin in the world, that is China. Please remember guys, whatever the largest producer of tin in the world, that is China, where you will find the maximum producer of the tin. Deposits laid down by glaciers are called glacial deposition. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the glacial deposition has been taken place, which are the deposition of all these glaciers. The marine organisms live in colonies in shallow tropical seas, that is corals. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the marine organisms live in colonies in shallow tropical seas, they are known as corals. Next we have the Valley of Kashmir is an example of, that is lacustrine plain. This is one thing you have to remember. The Valley of Kashmir is an example of, the plain is lacustrine plain. The two continents are just like the mirror images of each other. As you can see to the right side, how exactly they looks like opposite to the mirror. They are known as complementary coasts. That is South America as well as Africa fit together like pieces of a puzzle. These closely matched shapes, first noticed by map makers, were one of the first clues that these two continents were once joined. So this is one thing you have to remember guys. They looks like a mirror images. Those are South America and Africa. Now we have the atmospheric layer which reflects radio waves is called ionosphere. We knew that whatever the layers we have, troposphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, but in the case of radio waves, these radio waves are reflected from the ionosphere. A progressive rise in barometer reading indicates the approach of anticyclone. This is one thing, whatever the progressive rise in barometer reading, that indicates the approach of anticyclone. The relative humidity of the saturated air is, that is 100%. Please remember guys, whatever the relative humidity of the saturated air is 100%. The humidity is measured with the help of, that is hygrometer is the instrument which are helpful for the measurement of humidity. Formation of potholes in riverbeds is an example of corrosion. This is one thing, whatever the formation of potholes happens in the riverbeds, that is one example, that is example of corrosion. Malaspine Glacier is in Alaska. So this is one thing, whatever the glacier you can see to the right side, that is Malaspine Glacier which is in Alaska. Changing of colors of a rock into yellow or red is due to the oxidation process. This is what you have to remember. Whatever the colors of a rock into yellow or red is due to the oxidation process. The temperature increases with increase in height in stratosphere, that is concentration of ozone. So in this what happens is, whatever the temperature increases with increase in height in stratosphere, that is the concentration of ozone only. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 1000+ videos in it, and we have the playlist, it is segregated in it. That segregated as usual it is given. The cold ocean current, that is Labrador, that is one thing, whatever the cold ocean current, that is one type of Labrador. Here we have fish farming in paddy fields are practiced in China. So this fish farming in paddy fields are practiced in which places? They are practiced in the China only. The name Red Sea is derived from the reddish colorization caused by the presence of red algae. So this is one thing, the Red Sea is derived from the reddish colorization that is caused by the presence of red algae in the Red Sea, and it is very salty also. The type of planetary wind, that is westerlies, are the type of planetary winds. You will find here exactly how exactly the planetary winds takes place in the Earth. Interaction of mid latitude southwesterly winds, tropical northeasterly trade winds, these are the one which are given in it. The approximately how many kilometers are represented by 1 degree of latitude is 111 kilometers is the approximate length of the kilometers of 1 degree of latitude. We knew that whatever the longitude and latitude, so you will find this 111 degree in the equator. For each latitude it will be such a approximate length. The Gulf Stream, East American coast, as you can see what exactly the Gulf Stream is. East American coast is the Gulf Stream. Ocean currents transfer heat from lower to higher latitudes. Whatever the current we have, the ocean currents, the transfer of heat takes place from the lower to higher latitudes. The lowest temperature of air is recorded at just before sunrise. This is what exactly you have to remember. The lowest temperature of air we will find during the time of just before sunrise only. Herring Pond, as you can see to the right side, Atlantic Ocean, that is one thing you have to remember. Herring Pond is the one. The soil of India is eastern and west coast is laterite. This is one thing you have to remember. Soil of India is eastern as well as western coast is laterite. Next we have the caves of the world's greatest folded mountains formed, that is compressional movement. This is what exactly you have to remember. What are the caves of the world's greatest folded mountains formed, that is compressional movement. The most salty sea in the world is Dead Sea. So here you have to remember guys, whatever the Dead Sea it is there, the maximum salt you will find, that is the most salty sea in the world. The lifelines of a country is modern means of transport and communication. This is what you have to remember. The lifelines of a country, that is modern means of transport and communication. The holy mountain, as you can see to the right side, which is located in Himachal Pradesh, Jwalamukhi temple. This is one of the best holy mountain we have to remember. The necessary for improvement of quality of crops, that is segregation. This is what exactly to be remembered. What exactly the segregation means? The necessary for improvement of quality of crops is known as segregation. So by this process you will have the maximum in output from the plants. The layers in soil are referred to as horizons. Please remember guys what exactly horizons are. Whatever the layers in the soil are known as horizons. The fall in air temperature with increasing elevation is known as lapse rate. That is what you have to remember. The fall in air temperature with increasing elevation is known as lapse rate. Stalin Canal that connects the Leningrad with White Sea. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the Stalin Canal that connects the Leningrad with the White Sea, it has been connected. The most important economic contribution of plants is a rich store of minerals. That is one thing. The important economic contribution of plants is a rich store of minerals. Aurora borealis is a phenomenon of bright sun at night in southern hemisphere. This is what has to be remembered. Aurora borealis is a phenomenon. In this what happens is the bright sun at night in the southern hemisphere you will find like this, where exactly you will find different colors in the sun. The diseases that attack the wheat crop is rust. This disease directly affects the wheat crop. The river is called as Yellow River Canal, and to which country does belong? That is Hwang Ho in China. Whatever the river we have, that Yellow River Canal, and to which country does belong? That is Hwang Ho in China, that is exist. Thank you guys. This is what I can give maximum information towards your success. If you want more, that is 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can call me on, that is my mobile number 7667302252 or message me by WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.